right now they'll give you a free Samsung 5G smartphone. No 4-line requirement, no activation fee. You get a Samsung that is built to last, quick charging battery, top-tier data security. Qualifying plans start at $35 a month. You get unlimited talk and text and 15 gigs of data, and you get mobile hotspot. Just dial pound 250, say the keyword SAVE NOW, and claim your brand new, absolutely free Samsung 5G smartphone, and you're going to save a fortune on wireless starting today. That's pound 250, keyword SAVE NOW, from our friends at Pure Talk.
John Kerry, making America green, one Learjet liberal flight at a time. You just can't make this stuff up. Sean Hannity is on right now.
Hey folks, Larry Elder here. You've probably been hearing me endorse Wire Refi for some time now, and yes, many of my colleagues do as well. What makes Wire Refi so different from other investments? Let's quickly break it down. Wire Refi offers a secured, collateralized portfolio with a strong, fixed rate of return, up to 10.25%. There's no attack on your principal if you ever need your money back, and you're in control. You can let your investment compound daily or take income, whatever you choose. There are absolutely no fees, and an investment in Wire Refi is an investment in America's future. Call 855-397-3208 or log on to investwirerefi.com/SF in San Francisco. Wire Refi works with certified financial planner Michael Ginsberg, who can meet with you personally to see if Wire Refi is right for you. 855-397-3208 or log on to investwirerefi.com/SF. That's invest, the letter Y, then REFY.com/SF. Tell them Larry Elder sent you.
By texting 64,000, you agree to receive recurring automated marketing messages from Babbel. Message and data rates may apply. No purchase required. Terms apply. Available at Babbel.com/TNC.
My new exercise bike. More like my $1,500 coat rack.
I got a guitar. Never even learned Smoke on the Water.
At Babbel, we get it. Learning something new is hard, especially a new language. I've forgotten all my high school French.
My Spanish starts at hola and ends at adios.
Make it easy on yourself. Get Babbel, the language learning app built by 200-plus language experts to teach you real-world conversations for any situation, with research-proven lessons, addictive games, immersive podcasts, and live online classes with real teachers. Sounds like fun. It's fun and fast. Babbel's bite-sized lessons take 10 minutes a day. You can start having real conversations in as little as 3 weeks.
3 weeks? Hola, Espanol.
Ready to learn a new language? It starts here. Now try Babbel free when you text radio to 64,000. To try Babbel free, text radio to 64,000. Text radio to 64,000.
Getting quality employees to fill positions in your company is essential, but finding those people can be a major hassle, unless you use ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter makes finding quality people a breeze. And right now you can try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. With ZipRecruiter, one click sends your job to hundreds of top job sites. But more than that, ZipRecruiter's advanced technology identifies the candidates with the skills you need, sends you a list of great matches to review, then actively invites them to apply for your job. And the results speak for themselves. 4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. That's right, the first day. Now you can focus on your business and let ZipRecruiter do the work finding the best people for you. See for yourself. Experience the ease, efficiency, and power of ZipRecruiter for free. Just go to ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.com/radio.
The life of a small business owner. Keeping the lights on, calling all the shots. And then there's workplace accidents. 500-degree ovens, rusty nails. Danger lurks around every corner. Workplace accidents can happen, but there is an easy way to keep your employees covered. Talk to your agent about workers' comp coverage from Pi, or go to piinsurance.com and get a quote. Safety first, then Pi Insurance. Individual rates, offerings, and savings may vary, subject to policy terms and conditions. Not available in all states and situations.
Are you ready for hard-hitting observations? She's the least credible person I may have ever seen on camera. The Ben Shapiro Show brings you all the news you need to know in America today. Guys, not everything is horny chess. Why can't we just laugh? Ben breaks down the culture and never gives an inch. We all know I'm the #1 rapper in the world thanks to Fats by Tom McDonald.
The Ben Shapiro Show on YouTube or wherever you listen. You're listening to Sean Hannity on Talk Radio 560 KSFO.
Things up for today. We will bring you completely up to speed on her testimony tonight on Hannity, 9 Eastern on Fox. We're also following 4 primaries tonight of all of the results as they come in and become available. Now the Biden White House is saying, well, we didn't apologize to the guy that is alleged to have murdered Laken Riley. Anyway, we'll have it all. Jim Jordan, James Comer, Ted Cruz, Newt Gingrich, Laura Trump, and John Solomon. EDBR, we'll see you tonight, 9 Eastern, Fox. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for being with us and making this show possible. All right, picture this. You're driving on an open road, taking in all the breathtaking, beautiful views this country offers. Then, out of nowhere, you hear a noise, your car breaks down. All right, while still frustrating, you feel protected. Why? Because you have a plan like I do through CarShield. Now, CarShield has helped millions of drivers from having to pay back-breaking car repair costs, and costs have never been higher. All you have to do is call before a breakdown. Now, plans can pay for expensive repairs on your out-of-warranty car, truck, or SUV, all for CarShield's low monthly rate that never goes up as long as you own your car. And with a plan through CarShield, you get protection on over 5,000 major parts and systems with just a phone call to 800-587-5060. Online, it's carshield.com/Hannity. Protect yourself from the unprecedented rise in costs for parts and repairs. 800-587-5060. Save 20%, or online, it is carshield.com/Hannity.
Prescriptions require an online consultation with a healthcare provider who will determine if appropriate. Restrictions apply. See website for details and important safety information. Subscription required. Price varies based on product and subscription plan.
Hey guys, did you know there's a generic form of Viagra that works just the same, but is 95% cheaper? And you can get it online? Just go to hims.com/radio. Through Hims, you'll get a free medical consultation, discreet shipping if prescribed, a 100% online process, and trusted generic alternatives to the name brands at up to 95% off. That's right, get generic for Viagra, the same active ingredient as brand name Viagra, but for 95% less. It's the same medication, still prescribed by a licensed medical provider, but with zero copay, no expensive appointments, and no awkward face-to-face conversations. To start your free online visit, you need to go to this exclusive address, hims.com/radio. That's hims.com/radio for your free online visit. hims.com/radio.
Find out everything you need to know about your favorite radio station on the Talk Radio 560 KSFO website. It's all at KSFO.com. Talk Radio 560 KSFO San Francisco, KSAN HD2 San Mateo, a Cumulus media station.
He says the case is closed. I'm Lisa Lacera, Fox News. The White House counsel's office responding after hours of testimony from the special counsel after his investigation of the president's handling of classified material.
White House counsel's office spokesman Ian Sams says the case is closed.
The evidence does not support bringing charges, and it's over. It's time to move on.
Special counsel Robert Hur declined to charge the president or anyone else with willfully retaining classified material after sensitive documents were found at President Biden's former office and home, though Hur explained in part his decision was made because of the president's poor memory.
There is no case here. The president is innocent, and that was the conclusion of this case.
Hur told lawmakers he did not use the word exonerated in his report detailing the investigation.
Fox's Jared Halpern at the White House. Russia says it's killed more than 200 fighters while stopping an incursion from Ukraine. Russia claims its military and border forces were able to stop the attacks and avert a cross-border raid. This is President Biden again calls on Congress to pass the bill that contains funding for Ukraine.
We must act before it literally is too late. Before it's too late. Because as Paul remembers, Russia won't stop at Ukraine. Putin will keep going.
President with the comments while meeting with the leader of Poland. Associates of the late Russian opposition leader Alexei Navalny say Navalny's close ally and top strategist was attacked with a hammer near his home in the capital of Lithuania. The attack coming nearly a month after Navalny's unexplained death in a Russian penal colony in the Arctic. He had been serving a 19-year prison sentence on a charge of extremism, which was largely seen as politically motivated. On Wall Street, stocks rallied after some big tech companies posted gains. The Dow gained 235, the Nasdaq up 246, the S&P plus 57 points. America is listening to Fox News.
Fraudulent tax returns due identity theft increased by 30% in 2020.